Welcome to a demo of Predictica's Hospitality Customer Support Virtual Assistant. This kind of voice virtual assistant can be used to support hospitality customers via in-room tablets, in-room phones, or from an app on the user's own phone. We have used Predictica's proprietary patent-pending platform for natural language understanding and the dialogue engine that manages the context and dialogue around the hospitality requests. For voice to text, we use Google's Web Speech API to convert raw speech to text and vice versa. Our virtual assistants can also work using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant as the voice front ends. In the following demo, we will demonstrate how a user can engage in a very unstructured dialogue while solving some of their problems or meeting their needs during hotel stay, problems for which they would otherwise need to call the front desk or hotel operator. We have separately shown a very sophisticated capability for ordering food. That also applies to hotels for room service food ordering. We will pause the demo periodically to make some key observations along the way. Let us start.
Welcome to your hotel virtual agent. Please enter room number between 101 and 300.
101.
Type or say your password.
ABC.
How may I help you?
What can you do?
I can answer general questions about your hotel needs. You can ask me questions. For example, I want to order room service. I am not feeling well. I would like a bottle opener and some ice. Cannot get English newspaper, or just type what you want the virtual assistant to do. How may I help you?
I just came up and my elevator doors were not closing.
Someone will be over shortly to service your elevator door. Tell me how else I can help you.
The hot water is not coming. My AC is not working. And please send me some towels.
Someone will be over shortly to service your hot water. Someone will be over shortly to service your AC. How many 1 to 9 towels?
3.
We will send 3 towels to your room. Tell me how else I can help you.
I'll suspend the demo to make some observations. So note that the user is able to express multiple intents in the same utterance. Most of these customer issues require notification to appropriate departments within a hotel, but some might prompt additional questions to complete the request. For example, the towel request then requires knowing how many towels to send. Continuing. I want to order beverages and I need to get my luggage repaired.
Someone will call you shortly to take your order for beverage. Our concierge will contact you to help you with luggage repair. There may be a small charge for luggage. We will let you know. Tell me how else I can help you.
Please send me some wine glasses.
Which wine glasses did you mean? White wine glass. Red wine glass.
Red.
How many 1 to 9 red wine glass?
4.
We will send 4 red wine glass to your room. Tell me how else I can help you.
Again, suspending the demo. Note that since there are multiple kinds of wine glasses, the agent comes and asks for a clarification, and then it asks for the quantity. Most customer support requests are quite simple, but below we will illustrate a multi-step checkout process as requested by one of our hospitality customers. Continuing. I will do a full checkout.
Select time for full checkout.
9 a.m. and please get me morning coffee at 6:30 a.m. and a breakfast to go.
Your bill will be ready at the front desk at 9 a.m. on May 2nd, 20. Your morning coffee will be delivered to your room at 6:30 a.m. Would you like a wake-up call? Yes. No.
Suspending the demo again. The user answered the question and then added new requests all in the same utterance. Our virtual assistant is now dealing with multiple requests and will attempt to complete each one in order without getting lost. Also note that our platform has the basic concept of time so that it figures out that the checkout can only happen tomorrow since it is already past 9 a.m. on the day of this demo. We will show other examples of basic understanding of time in the remaining demo. Resuming. Please order a taxi for 8:45 a.m.
Caution. Taxi time 8:45 a.m. is before your checkout time 9 a.m. A taxi will be ready for you at 8:45 a.m. Would you like a wake-up call? Yes. No.
Suspending again. Note that instead of answering the question about wake-up call, I added an entirely new request. And instead of getting lost, the agent was able to handle it and then still retains the context to come back and ask me to answer the original question. Also note that the temporal understanding coming into play here, because the agent notes that the time for taxi is before the checkout time, and therefore it prints a warning message just in case the user had made a mistake. Continuing. Yes.
Select time for wake-up alarm.
6:15 a.m. and also send me some AAA batteries.
We will give you a wake-up call at 6:15 a.m. Would you like a second wake-up call 30 minutes after the first? Yes. No.
Suspending. This time a request from totally left field, because instead of just answering the question about wake-up call, I also asked for something totally different. Again, the agent, you'll see, will not be lost, and he'll come back and take care of things when it gets to it. Continuing. Yes.
We will give you a second wake-up call at 6:45 a.m. Select time for packed breakfast.
8:30 a.m.
We will have a packed breakfast ready for you at 8:30 a.m. How many 1 to 9 AAA batteries?
3.
There will be a small charge for 3 AAA batteries. We will add it to your bill. We will send 3 AAA batteries to your room. Tell me how else I can help you.
So this completes our demo of our hospitality customer support virtual assistant. Notice that in the last few steps, our agent was systematically going through and completing every line of inquiry. So all the user requests are taken care of. I want to make some closing observations now that you have seen our demo. Unlike most other bots and virtual assistants, Preditica virtual assistants are not driven by a decision tree. Instead, our bots use Preditica's patent-pending dialogue engine and natural language understanding engine that are based around a constraints-based configurator that follows a data flow-driven model. This allows our virtual assistants to have a very flexible and intuitive conversation flow. You would have seen that our dialogues are unstructured, where the user retains full initiative at all times. We call it unstructured since while the user kicks it off with some initial utterance, they are free to add new information or express new intents pretty much any time. The virtual assistant tries to complete every line of inquiry until everything is known. In response to any question, the user can answer the question and express a new intent, or ask a completely different question or intent. In most cases, the virtual assistant is able to handle the new utterances without losing the original context. Preditica virtual assistants are not trained using an explicit set of tagged sentences. Rather, in our patent pending platform, one constructs a task model, and then the model is used to automatically train a natural language understanding engine to understand various intents and extract entities from the utterances. In order to support this, A number of generic intents are built into our platform. Our forthcoming white paper will go into more details. You can register to get a white paper from our corporate virtual assistant at www.predictica.com. Our corporate virtual assistant can also be used to get more information about us or get in touch with us. Thanks for your interest and patience.